the ability to communicate and build relationships with others, often called people skills. They tend to incorporate both your innate personality traits and how you have learned to handle certain social situations. Effective interpersonal skills can help you during the job interview process and can have a positive impact on your career advancement. Interpersonal skills, teamwork, leadership, patience, responsibility, motivation, empathy, dependability, flexibility, active listening. Key takeaways. Interpersonal skills, often referred to as people's skills, are crucial in every workplace as they aid in effective communication, building relationships, and cooperating with others in a variety of scenarios. These skills are highly transferable across industries and positions and include active listening, dependability, empathy, leadership, teamwork, among others, which greatly contribute to creating a positive work environment. To improve your interpersonal skills, consider strategies such as attending workshops, online classes, seeking opportunities to build relationships, asking for constructive criticism, observing others, positive interactions, and seeking mentorship. Interpersonal skills are traits you rely on when you interact and communicate with others. They cover a variety of scenarios where communication and cooperation are essential. Some examples of interpersonal skills include active listening, teamwork, responsibility, dependability, leadership, motivation, flexibility, patience, empathy. Why are interpersonal skills important? Strong interpersonal skills can help you during the job interview process. As interviewers look for applicants who can work well with others, they will also help you succeed in almost any job by helping you understand other people and adjusting your approach to work together effectively. For example, while a software engineer may spend the majority of her time working on code independently, she may need to collaborate with other programmers to effectively bring a product to market. This is especially true as more companies implement collaborative agile frameworks to get work done. Employee will be looking for workers who can both perform technical tasks with excellence and communicate well with colleagues. Interpersonal skills. What are interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills are traits you rely on when you interact and communicate with others. Examples of interpersonal skills. Online technical or hard skills, interpersonal skills are soft skills that are easily transferable across industries and positions. Employers value interpersonal skills because they contribute to positive work environments and help maintain an efficient workflow. Here's a list of interpersonal skills for you to identify the ones you may possess that are valuable to employers. Active listening. Active listening means listening to others with the purpose of gathering information and engaging with the speaker. Active listeners avoid distracting behaviors while in conversation with others. This can mean putting away or closing laptops or mobile devices while listening and asking and answering questions when promoted. Dependability. Dependable people can be relied on in any given situation. This can include anything from being punctual to keeping promises. Employers highly value dependable workers and trust them with important tasks and duties. Empathy. A worker's emotional intelligence is how well they understand the needs and feelings of others. Employers may hire empathetic or compassionate employees to create a positive, high functioning workplace. Leadership. Leadership is an important interpersonal skill that involves effective decision making. Effective leaders incorporate many other interpersonal skills like empathy and patience to make decisions. Leadership skills can be used by both managers and individual contributors. In any role, employers value people who take ownership to reach common goals. Teamwork, the ability to work together as a team is extremely valuable in every workplace. Teamwork involves many other interpersonal skills like communication, active listening, flexibility, and responsibility. Those who are good team players are often given important tasks in the workplace and may be seen as good candidates for promotions. Job that require interpersonal skills. Any job you apply for will require interpersonal skills of some kind. Here are some jobs that rely on strong interpersonal skills more than others. Teachers. Teachers need strong interpersonal skills in order to work collaboratively with each other, administrators, students, and patients. An emphatic and patient teacher can help students learn and grow effectively in their education. Administrative assistants. Administrative assistants need to be highly dependable among other interpersonal skills. Administrative assistants also come in contact with customers or clients on a regular basis, making interpersonal skills a necessary function of the job. Nurses. Comfort and care for patients is key a skill for nurses. Interpersonal skills of all kinds are integral in this industry, especially empathy and patience. Marketing managers. Marketing requires several technical soft skills. Interpersonal communication skills are an important part of marketing and marketing management, as marketing professionals not only work collaboratively in developing mar- marketing campaigns but also with clients and sales teams. Customer service agents. Customer service requires a high level of people skills. These employed in customer service spend most of their work hours engaged with customers who may be frustrated, confused, or angry. Communication skills are necessary, especially patience, empathy, and active listening. How to improve interpersonal skills? While interpersonal skills can seem easy to practice as you interact with others on a day-to-day basis, making a deliberate plan can help you quickly improve. Consider the following ways to improve your interpersonal skills. Attend workshops or online classes. There are several workshops, online classes, and videos on ways you can practice building interpersonal skills. While many are free, some of them available on cost. Seek opportunity to build relationships. If you work from home or do not otherwise have money to build interpersonal skills, you might consider joining a group. This could be related to your work, networking, or industry specific groups, or simply a group that shares a similar interest or hobby. Be thoughtful about ways and interactions could improve. Take time to review the interactions you have had and consider ways you could have interacted more effectively. This might be certain words you said, ways you reacted, or body language used. Ask trusted friends or colleagues for constructive criticism. It is helpful to get a third party perspective about your skill level and specific ways that you can improve. Ask friends or trusted colleagues to provide constructive criticism regarding your interpersonal skills. Observe other positive interpersonal interactions. It can also be helpful to learn by observing others use their interpersonal skills. Observe positive interactions of those around you and apply the qualities you admire to your own relationship. Seek mentorship. Asking someone you trust, admire, and respect to counsel you on improving interpersonal skills and advancing in your career can be extremely effective way to learn. Setting goals for yourself can also provide structure, making your learning more efficient by understanding when and how you have made adequate improvements. Thank you. This is all about impersonal skill. This is important soft skill which will help you in managing the things in your office and company. Thank you.